Hey, tubers, it's banner time. Let's go. This is my current branding. Took me about 5 minutes. Stay with me so you too can learn how to create banners like this and so many others. All made from my phone with PicMonkey. Never open Photoshop again. How about a banner for every season or every day? Seriously, it's that easy and that quick. Okay, make sure that you download PicMonkey to your phone. When it opens, tap blank canvas. You're going to start from scratch. But to begin with, you'll have an opportunity to pick a template. So scroll over to the red boxes. Those are specifically for YouTube. Those are for your thumbnails, your banners, your covers, and your profile picture. Then choose a background color. Once you've chosen a color, you can choose to make it a little bit lighter with the transparency feature. Then do an overlay, which is known as a pattern. Click on pattern, choose a pattern that you like, and then recolor the pattern also. So here's the base of my cover page and my banner for YouTube. I'd like to drop in some element, some kind of illustration. This is going to be a bogus company, a bogus YouTube channel, and I'm going to be calling it Paris Love Letters. So I'm just going into the sticker area, trying to pull an illustration that works with that channel name. And that's my history. So what I want to do is take you to the grouping area of the stickers. Here are the holiday stickers. Then there's some hand-drawn elements. I'll go ahead and pick the hearts there. And then anything that you choose, you can resize, recolor to your liking. So have fun. And once you learn how to use PicMonkey, it's so fast, so easy, and so fun, you're going to really start to enjoy it. And remember, this is all from your phone. You can go to PicMonkey on your desktop, but this app for mobile phone has everything. So now I'm adding text now, and once you've done that, you're again going to be given so many different options. There are all kinds of fonts ready to use, and you can also use whatever color you want for your title. So you can get in here and just play around with it. The grid lines are automatic. It shows you when you've got something that's completely centered perfectly. Those blue lines show up diagonally and horizontally, so you always know where you're at. I'm just going through the different colors, trying to decide what might look right, what might look good for this channel that I've created. Paris Love Letters. Okay, resize it. And you can't tell by the screen recorder, but you resize everything just with your fingers, just on the front of your phone. All right, this next step is really important. I've downloaded an image from Google of the YouTube banner template. And then, just as the last step, I go ahead and add it onto my image, and then I use the transparency to make it very, very light, to make sure that that center area is exactly where your images are and your title, because that is the very little small portion that shows up on your mobile phone. So once you've lined everything up, then, and it looks right, then you can save it. So when you save your banner cover, it automatically saves into your photos. Okay? So I hope that you have enjoyed this. If you have any questions or need help, or if you want to hire me to do all your banners and thumbnails, just let me know. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.